What's up everybody? Welcome to another fishing adventure. Today we are fishing the Elster River and right in the city of Leipzig. There's this little forest wood area around here and it's really nice. The water is not very deep. I think right here we've got maybe like a meter. Only brought some light tackle today. I brought the ultralight, I brought some spoons and some spinner jigs or jig spinner, whatever you call it. Just some lightweight stuff and see how that goes. So this is my gear for today. I've got an ultralight from a company called Lieblingsköder, which is translated favorite lure, and it's especially for perch, it says. I'm not sure if you can see that. Also got a net from the same company, and also most of the lures today are from this company, Lieblingsköder. These are called the spin mats, and like some small jig spinners, I think, and some spoons, which I'm gonna mainly fishing today because the water is really shallow at most spots. I'm starting at the deeper spot, and I'm actually gonna start with the jig spinner and see what we can catch here. The goal is to catch some perch, some nice perch. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a fishing line right there in this branch. I hope I don't get tangled up in that. So what I've already seen from the bridge over there is a ton of chubs. Quite honestly, these are not the guys I'm after. It's not the most, at least in my opinion, most tasty fish. Oh, there we go. We've got our first fish, and it's a tiny guy, but it is a perch. These are the guys we are after today. Hook bite me. So there we go. Nice little guy, but he has to go back because we can't use him. That's a good sign. Just now have to catch his older brother or sister or mother or grandmother or cousin, whatever it is. Let it sink a little bit. I don't know how deep it is in here. What I know, you've got a lot of snacks in this river. Old branches and stuff they just threw in the river years ago. So jigging in this river is not advisable. My plan for today was to hit the shallow spots of this river. I'm gonna give it a few more casts right here, and then once I'm warmed up, I'm gonna go to the other spots. I have to do a lot of walking. I already know that. Okay, I'm gonna take the risk and jig it on the bottom. So now the line just collapsed. That's the sign it's on the bottom. Collapsed. 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 Oh no, that was a rock, not a bite. Oh crap, there was a little perch following it. Well, couldn't use the little guy anyways. Collapsed. Another perch. Oh, no way. Too small as well. But they are here, and jigging is probably not the worst method, I think. Let's keep continuing doing that. Is this a fish? Oh, yes, it is a fish, is it? We've got something. Oh no, it's the... What the heck is this? This might... Oh, some kind of feeder fishing. I'm glad I got that out of the water. So what I'm gonna do before I head off is using the spoon. See how that goes, and then I definitely have to switch spots because otherwise I won't be able to get to all the spots I want to, which I planned for today. Oh, there we go. Oh, there was a bite. Oh, there, it follows it. I see it. I can still see it following. Nope. Not anymore. Okay, give this spot one more cast and then I have to head off. Oh, there we go. There we go. What have we got? Another perch. Not the size we want, but at least it's a fish. There we go. So right here it's super shallow water. Let's see if we can, in pretty strong current, see if something's hiding in here. I can't see anything. Where are the fish? There's a little chub. Not sure if you could see it in the camera. Oh, a small one, maybe 15 centimeters or something like that. So how about this spot over here? Just gonna set up the net just in case something unusual happens and I get a bite of a big one. So here we go. Oh look, oh there's a big old chub right down there. Holy smokes. I don't want those. Rather have a perch of that size. Okay, I spooked them anyways. I hope I did. Spooning. That was a close one. Pretty close to that edge. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh, no way. What is it? Oh, it's a chub. No. Just gonna grab my net. It's a new net and I have to deflower it with a chub, which is not what I was hoping for. There we go. Did you spit it out already? No. Here we go. Took the spoon really well. Oh, that's what I don't like about chubs. They're slimy as heck. There we go, but you can go back. Was it the first cast at the spot? I believe it was. Now I have to figure out how I wash my hands without falling in the water. So this is going to be the last spot on the Elster River. Afterwards I'm going to head over the side like 50 meters, and there's a canal. When the water gets too high in the Elster River, they just open the big old gate. I don't know how to explain that. It's just a flattened canal and that's it. And there was a bite already. I don't know if this looks more like spoony water. There was another bite. Oh, there are some chops following it, which I do not want. So this is the place I was just talking about. Here are these big old gates in the water, and when the water gets too high in the Elster River, they just open them and water flows over there in this flooding canal. This guy right here, and that's where I'm gonna end up the session. So I changed to spoon. Oh, I see a really small bait fish over there. Yeah, really tiny guys. Oh, no way. No way. Right in the moment when the lure hit the water, I've got the bite. That is crazy. That is crazy. And this perch took the invitation right away and left right away. That was nuts. That's actually what I really like. It's like these unexpected hits. Like really, the lure just hit the water and the fish already like took it immediately. But I'm really surprised how far you can cast these spoons. It's like only 3.5 gram and I casted like at least 20 meters. Let's see if we can give it a nice cast. Alright. Let's sink. There we go. There we go. Oh man, there's a ton of perch. There's even some more following it. And this might be the first keeper of today. It's not a huge one, but good enough for the pan. Here we go, the last few casts. Then I'm done for today. It was a short session, but it's always exciting. Like, you probably can't see it from here, but we're pretty much like only like 2 kilometers away from the city center. So it's pretty much urban fishing. Oh, this one sucks. I don't like this one. Okay, I'm just gonna switch to one last lure and then I'm calling it a day. So I'm just gonna take Pinky. Pinky is a 10 gram jig spinner. Oh, it's shallow. Shallow. Oh, we've got a fish. We've got a fish. What did we get? Oh, nice perch. Nice perch again. Here we go, little fellow. I mean, nice in terms what I've caught today so far. So here we go. So he's gonna join the other one. I said it was gonna be the last cast, but when I keep catching fish, no way. There's right the next one. And this one seems even better. No, it's not better, but the battery on the other camera died. This is my spare camera, but it also has a really bad battery. But I've managed to catch, I think, 3 or 4 more perch, even though I had my last cast, but they were biting pretty well. Unfortunately, no giants, and I'm gonna take this 2 I've got and have myself a little appetizer, and that's it for now. I tried these spoons; they work pretty well. Also, the spit jingers, the jig spinners, they worked really well. I've caught the last 3 perches on the jig spinner. It's been fun, and hope to see you in the next episode. Bye.